So everybody turn the brain on. Are you ready for math class? I hope so. Let's see. What should we start with today? Well, let's see if Peppy can help us. Peppy, you want to come help us with our counting, please? Hello. How are you today? All right. Let's get counting, everybody. Are you ready? On your feet. Everybody stand up. Okay, you ready? Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 100, 95, 90, 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, and 5. Okay. Let's do the twos. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. 100, 98, 96, 94, 92, 90, 88, 86, 84, 82, 80, 78, 76, 74, 72, 70, 68, 66, 64, 62, 60, 58, 56, 54, 52, 50, 48, 46, 44, 42, 40, 38, 36, 34, 32, 30, 28, 26, 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, woo! Okay, who remembers how many inches in a foot? Let's see, Steffi, how many inches in a foot? No, it is not 5 toes. Inches, Steffi, how many inches? Right, 12 inches in a toe. No. 12 inches in a foot. Okay, how many months in a year? Angeli, how many months in a year? 12. How many minutes in an hour? Joshua, 60. How many hours in a day? Daniela, 24. How many days in a week? Let's see, Nylea, how many days in a week? 7. How many, what did we miss? Months in a year? Do we do months in a year yet? Allison, how many months in a year? 12. Okay, guys, keep working. Got it? See you later. Adios. Thank you, Peppy. Okay, today let's do this. Let's practice with some money. We didn't do that yesterday. We got our 1s, our 5s, and our 10s, right? Okay, so we have our 1s. Who's on here? Lempira. Who's on the 5? Francisco Morazan. Who's on the 10s? Jose Cabañas. Okay, so we have our money. What if we have 3 10s, 4 5s, and 6 1s? 3 tens, 4 fives, 6 ones. How much money do we have? How much money do we have? Oh, I'm sorry. 3 tens, 4 fives, and 6 ones. Okay, how about Evan? How much do you have? Darielle, what do you have? Alessandra, what do you have? Okay, let's see. We have 30 here and 4 fives. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 50 plus 6 ones is 56. What if we have, let's see, 110, 3 fives, and 3 ones. 110, 3 fives, and 3 ones. 110, 3 fives, and 3 ones. What do we have? Okay, Samuel, what did you get? Avi, what did you get? Alessandro, what did you get? Okay, let's count it out. We have 10 plus 3 fives, 15, 20, 25 plus 3, 26, 27, 28. Our answer is 28. How many of you got 28? Woo! Okay, let's do another one. What if we have, how about 5? 5 and 5. 5, 5, and 5. What do we have? Count it out. Pull out your little fingers. 5, 5, and 5. What did you get, Daniela? How about Saudi? What did you get? How about you, Hazard? Joshua, what did you get? Okay, let's see. 5 tens is 50 plus 5, 5, 50. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. 75 plus 5 more is 80. 80. Who got 80? Raise your hand. Woo! Okay. Our clocks, remember on our clock, hands straight up. What is it? We say o'clock. The big hand goes all the way through the number, right? The little hand goes just to the hour. It tells the hour. Okay, on our homework today, you need this one right here, page 101, and it is lesson 51, right? Okay, we're going to start on this side, please. Okay, at the top, the directions say make little circles. So here you have one like this. It says make circles 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 5 is what? 8. Okay, whoop-de-doo. Okay, easy sneezy. Okay, next part is our clocks. See your clocks right there. Okay, what time does it say on the first clock? Let's see. Leah, what time is it on this first clock? Okay, it is 8 o'clock. Now, if you look, what they're going to do, they're going to start here. Okay, it's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock here. What time is this one? 9 o'clock. What time is it here? 10 o'clock. Okay, now, if we count 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, what hour comes next? 8, 9, 10. What number comes after 10? 11. Number 11 comes. So now they want you to put the little hands on the clock. Okay, for 11 o'clock. Forgot to put all the numbers up there. Oops. 1, 2. Okay, it's 11 o'clock. So what do we need? We need the minute hand first. The minute hand's going to go straight through the number, down to the belly button. Okay, through the number. Now, the little hand tells your hour. Okay, the little hand is going to go up to the number and stop. Okay, that tells your hour. The big one goes all the way through the number. All the way through that. See that? all the way through the number. The little one stops before it gets there. So that is 11 o'clock. Okay, can you fix your clock there? Okay, let's look at your second row. What time does the first clock say? Andre, what time is it? 10, oh, 2 o'clock. So we have 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and then 5 o'clock. What number goes here? Roberto, what time should go right here? We have 2, 3, and 5. What is our missing clock? 4 o'clock. Okay, so we need to make our clock say 4 o'clock. So what do? Our big hand tells our minutes. It goes all the way through. Our little hand tells the hour. It goes to the number and stops. Make sure you have a big hand and a little hand, okay? Good. Because if you don't, Miss Susan's going to mark it wrong on your paper when you come to an exam, okay? The big hand tells the minutes. It goes all the way through the number. The little hand tells your hour, and it stops when it gets to the number, okay? That way you can see clearly. Okay, now, we have clocks here, okay? The same way we go in a row, we need to do the digital clocks, okay? Now, we're just telling the hours. The first clock says 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock, no minutes. You have the hour, 2 little dots here. We call that a semicolon, and then 2 zeros after it. Okay, so we have 11 o'clock, then we have no time there, then we have 12 o'clock, then, 11 o'clock, nothing, 1 o'clock, then what comes next? Okay, let's see, who's smart today? Oh. How about, who has Joshua? Okay, we have 11 o'clock, then we have 1 o'clock, okay? What hour comes after 11 o'clock? 12 o'clock, good. 11 o'clock, and how do we make 12 o'clock? 12, 2 little dots, 0, 0. So we have 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, then it's 1 o'clock. What time comes after 1 o'clock? Who can tell me? Steffi. 2 o'clock, okay, so we have 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Okay, there we go. 11 o'clock, 12, 1 and 2. Okay, then what do we have here? 3 o'clock, we're missing these down here. See if you're smart enough. So we have 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. What are the missing ones? Are you smart enough to figure it out by yourself? Maybe you are. I hope you can. Use your brain and see how smart you are. Okay, good. Okay, do your work nice and neat. And this side here, okay? These are groups of tens. How many tens, how many ones? How many tens, how many ones? How many tens, how many ones? Put the number underneath. Okay, right here. It says circle the dimes. Okay, now, on money, right, there are 2 sides to money, right? This side here with the head and this side here with some picture, right? Okay, money is the same way. It has a head or something on one side and something on the other. We used to call it heads and tails because of different things. Okay, so our coins, see they're the same size? So this side, these little ones, these have heads and these have, I forget what that, there's a torch and something else, okay? Here on these pennies, this man's name is Abraham Lincoln. He's one of our heroes. On that side and on the back, there is an escudo on the back, okay? These are all, the brown ones are all pennies. It's just the 2 sides of it. The same way your money has 2 sides, right? So you look at it, okay? So it says right here, circle the dimes. Circle all of them, todos. Todos y solamente. Circle all the dimes. Doesn't matter which side showing. Okay, remember the dimes. The dimes are 10 centavos, right? Okay, here, circle the nickels. Okay, here's your nickels. Nickels are fat ones, okay? Now, let's see. This guy's name is Jefferson. Okay? Jefferson's the fat one. They're five centavos. The little ones are the dimes, right? You see the little ones, the big ones, okay? The big ones are your nickels. They have two sides. One is his house. Looks like his house. It's called Monticello. And this is his face, okay? He's a great man. Okay, so circle up here, circle the dimes, here circle the nickels. Okay, down here. Count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. Can you do that? Sure you can, okay? Good. Have fun. Go.